Well, I originally had cataract surgery and it was not successful at another location. Okay. And I've struggled with that for 2 years. I needed cataract surgery in my right eye. And I had several recommendations for the Kelly Eye Center, Dr. Kelly, from several people that I play golf with. And he was bragging about how great, in fact, I think it improved his game, and I was a little jealous. So I went to see him. Dr. Kelly explained an awful lot about the surgery and about what I should expect. And that's what I really liked about him. I think he's extremely friendly. He's one of your friendly doctors. The first time I saw him, he said, I really wasn't ready yet. Let's wait another 6 months. The second time I saw him, he says, well, you're ready for cataract surgery now. Let's go ahead and do it. And I didn't hesitate at all. I said, I need to see better, because even with glasses, I still could not see. I could not read menus at a distance. When I played golf, I couldn't see where my golf ball was. I would always ask people, where's my ball? You know, after I hit it. I knew what direction it went, but after that I lost it. So we decided we're going to do cataract surgery. It was probably the best decision I ever made. It wasn't until the very next day when I got up in the morning I knew I could see. I could see completely different than what I did prior to the surgery. We had an appointment the following afternoon with the Kelly Eye Center to just check the surgery. And we went to lunch before that, and I could see the menu, and I couldn't see the menu. So I was really excited when I went back into the Kelly Eye Center. So when I walked into the office, I was really excited, and they were excited for me. So, I mean, my life has changed. I mean, you know, I watch television without glasses. I mean, things where I needed glasses for everyday living before, I really don't need my glasses. It's what was cloudy and fuzzy is now clear. Don't hesitate. Get it done right away. I mean, the whole world opens up to you.